Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Distant Horizons mod for Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for Distant Horizon. After that, access the CurseForge website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, access the Files tab from the top and then choose the mod that is compatible with your current game version. Next, download the mod by clicking on the three dots icon and then selecting Download. After downloading the mod, search for files.minecraftforge.net, and you will be sent to this page. Here, select the same game version as that of the mod and download it. Once everything is downloaded, run the Forge app, click on the Install button, and then wait for it to be completed. After that, copy the Distant Horizon mod and paste it into the mods folder of your Minecraft game. You can get to it by opening App Data folder and then accessing Minecraft. After that, if I launch the game and access mods, you can see that the mod was installed successfully. Also, make sure to launch the game by selecting Forge as the main installer in your Minecraft launcher, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can download Distant Horizons mod for Minecraft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.